I'm waiting for Junior.
And this, you're gonna do the floor coverings throughout, right?
Yeah.
Like we were talking about
So-
maybe trying to save it, but
To here, just to here, right? And a saddle here. Saddle here,
saddle,
here.
same floor coverings
Same
throughout.
floor. To get the space
Yeah.
in between each.
And this will be the new window.
That'll be the new window. Yeah. Took the electric around. Switch is here.
Bedroom over there.
Okay. Peak. Nice sunlight in here.
Oh, yeah, for the bed. Right?
Yeah, that's a good size room.
We are in Westfield, New Jersey, by the way.
Oh, we're recording, huh?
Yeah. Oh, it's a nice size.
Very nice.
So of course we're closing this window
This one?
inside the closet. You know.
Gotcha, no need for it. So what, Seth, how far along this project would you say we are right now?
I say we got about almost 2 months.
2 months left?
Almost 2 months.
So like 50, 60% done, something like that?
Yeah, give or take.
Yeah, guys, when we got this house, it didn't look like this. This is one of the better shaped two families we got, but there's still, as you can see, so much work that goes into it. A lot that I don't know that these guys take care of.
Yeah. You got the bath here.
Full bath with the signature recess in the wall, you know.
And then this is another bedroom?
Another bedroom,
Oh,
yeah.
shit, yeah. We got two really nice sized bedrooms.
Tree area over here.
What's the layout?
So this will be the sink here with the cabinets to the left and right of it.
Mm-hmm.
There'll be a window here, and then starting from here over, it's going to be cabinets and appliances. So you're going to have base cabinet, stove, corner cabinet, some more base cabinets, and then a fridge over here. And then we'll have some top cabinets.
Oh,
There
serious.
as well with a microwave above the range.
We're
Gotcha.
tucking these in.
Exactly.
Of the house. Okay. Little sunroom.
Oh yeah, I forgot. This will actually be used like a space that's gonna be used.
Yeah.
Then you got
Cool.
a big old backyard. All right, let's make our way up to the second unit now.
Those. So what are we walking into? What's over here? What's this gonna be?
This is your living room right here.
Okay.
So you walk in, nice little living room right here.
Oh, this is nice. It's a big bedroom.
Oh hell yeah.
So are you like changing the
So
hardwood? How are you
originally
doing
we
this?
wanted to sand, and these floors are actually in decent condition. The idea was originally to sand and stain and refinish them.
Yeah.
But there was substantial damage in the hallway here. So to repair these original pine floors and then have everything match up would have been a challenge. So instead, we're just gonna do the new subfloor with the plywood, and then we'll do a vinyl overlay over the whole floor, and that'll carry from
Including the
living
hardwood?
space. It'll go over this
Over
hardwood.
it.
So
Okay.
it'll go over.
New lines inside.
Gotcha.
Pretty much do that as much as possible.
Yeah.
Would you say there's any major challenges working up here right now?
Not with us.
I like that.
How about you guys?
That's a test. He passed.
And here's the kitchen.
It's the kitchen.
Kitchen.
And this is the second entry into the house, into this unit as well, through the
Oh, okay.
rear.
Gotcha.
Cool. So how's the
The
kitchen?
fridge,
gonna
the
look?
fridge will be freestanding over here,
Okay.
and then the rest of the kitchen will just be an L-shaped kitchen.
Okay.
It'll go from same base cabinets, gas range, microwave above, some cabinetry, and then sink base over here, and dishwasher as well.
So you have
Gotcha.
an open feel in here for sure, right?
Yeah, it's limited for what we can do in this space, especially where a lot of the existing plumbing was.
Yeah.
But yeah, that'll be kind of rip and replace where it is.
Gotcha. Oh,
All right, guys, this is our Downer Street project. Ended up locking this one up, let's say in the summer, right, Ronnie?
Mhm. Yeah, I think
This
so.
one was cool. The house was in really good shape. It's a two-family, so when we came here, you know, if you see outside, there's just a lot of big, brand new homes here.
Let's go outside.
Yeah, let's go outside and show you guys. After the walkthrough, I kind of had a good idea that, as you can see, look at the area we're in. You have these massive homes around here. So once I knew that this two-family, I was like, we can either turn this into a one-family and renovate it and resell it as a flip, or I know we do some buy and holds where we can renovate both units and then keep it as a rental.
yeah, that's called a BRRRR. You guys, I'm sure, can look that up and find more than enough
Yeah.
information on
And
it.
the seller and us were, you know, like $50,000-$60,000 apart, but we ended up kind of figuring out a number that worked for both of us, and then, you know, signing on, moving forward, closing in a month. But this one was cool because the house didn't need too much work. You know, sometimes we buy these early 1900s two families that, you know, you got to rip and replace everything. We have a couple other projects you'll see in our other videos that that are more like that. This one was more of a cookie cutter renovation where you just do a little bit of cosmetics. So when I walked through, I obviously don't know everything about construction or most of it at all, but I did know it was a light renovation. There might have been a few things I missed, but I knew going in here this was a lighter renovation that we could do in a lot quicker time and then rent it out where we see the price, and it's like, all right, this might make sense. So after doing the walkthrough, we knew this was something we'd be able to take on.